Tamar Braxton shows how to make her quick $20 shrimp scampi pasta with son Logan.
Today I'm making my famous Alfredo shrimp scampi pasta. First you need C-pack garlic butter shrimp. You need some heavy whipping cream. You need a little bit more butter. You need some white American cheese. And you need a pack of this 3 pepper and onion blend. I already have the noodles boiling. And then you want to mix the onions, peppers, and butter together. And all me and Logan added was pepper, cayenne, onion powder,
and Parmesan.
Parmesan at the end. And then you put in your 2-pound bag of shrimp scampi. I got it, Mom. You also want to put a half a tablespoon of organic lemon juice. Then I got a little Trader Joe's garlic salt. That's it. Then you're going to want to whisk a half a cup of, okay, Logan, that's it. Heavy whipping cream. I didn't feel like white American, so I used this instead. And this much of it. Then you add your pasta. Then your Parmesan. That much. You mix it together and enjoy.
Goddess Vision TV. Celebrating feminine energy. Thanks for watching.